Welcome viewers in ENVI series tutorial for remote sensing image processing. In this series we will upload a sequence of tutorial on remote sensing image processing using ENVI software. We will upload several videos like image subset, image registration, image geometric correction, mosaicing, atmospheric correction, image fusion, image supervised and unsupervised classification, post classification techniques, vegetation analysis, and many others. If you don't have this software and did not install yet, then just see the description box of this video. We have given a link for downloading ENVI 5.3 version, and you will get clear instruction about how to install properly. Anyway, today is the first lecture of ENVI series. Today I will show ENVI software interface and use of every tool so that you can get a basic and advanced knowledge regarding use ENVI software for image processing. So let's start. In Windows, start a new ENVI session by clicking Start All Programs. ENVI 5.3 64-bit or 32-bit. Once ENVI loads, you will see the single in window interface. Now I am adding an image file for your clear understanding and how to use of different tools. Click the pen button, then click and drag your cursor in the image window to pan in the direction of the mouse. Fixed zoom in, fixed zoom out, and this is the zoom tool. You can zoom in as much as you want. Click to the zoom to full extent button, that is useful for viewing an entire image in the display. The data manager is the interface from which you can control all of the data you have loaded in ENVI. This is the collapse all file, and this is the expand all file. And you can close file using this tool, and you can close all file using this tool. And you can pin or unpin your file and open selected file in ArcMap. This tool you can use when you have only 32-bit in your laptop, otherwise it will not open. File information. Select red, green, blue bands. This is going to create a color infrared composite image. The load data and load grayscale buttons are used to display grayscale images as well as various band combinations. Click the rotate button, then click and drag the cursor in a clockwise or counterclockwise direction to rotate the image. And this is arbitrary profile tool. You can see your data value by using this tool. Here you can see transect or data value or arbitrary profile. The next tool is spectral profile. You can use this tool to see and save wavelength or reflectance of your data. And this one is scatter plot tool. You can use this for specific or overall band information together as a scatter plot. This is a region of interest. Generally we call it as ROI. We will utilize this tool in later exercises. You can select polygon or rectangle. Also you can change the color. Anyways, we will utilize this tool in later exercises, so keep in touch. You can count the feature using this tool. And these buttons are used for annotations. You can see here there are several annotations, so what you need that you can use. The next row of tools in the ENVI menu includes various sliders for brightness, contrast, sharpen, and transparency. You can increase or decrease brightness or contrast, and sharpen as per your requirement for image analysis. The final slider, transparency, is extremely useful for examining differences found with varying band combinations. Click the reset button on each slider to return them to their default values. This is an overview tool. You can see by using this. The cursor button. The cursor value dialog will be displayed. As you move your cursor around the display, you will see the following information like locations, projections, file, data. Click the portal button on the toolbar. ENVI creates a portal to display the lower layer, and it is listed in the layer manager with the portal icon. Flicker and swipe help you compare two different layers. You can use these tools for comparing entire images, or you can use them inside a portal. These tools are enabled only when you have two or more layers open in the layer manager and when you display at least one layer in the display. Using this view tool, you can open two or more windows and link up them together using either geographic based link or a pixel based link. You can see toolbox in the right side. You will find here several tools like classification, supervised classification, geometric correction or radiometric correction. We will utilize these tools in later exercises. This is all for today. Hope you learn about ENVI interface and all navigation button and use of every tool from today's video. Thank you for watching. In next tutorial we will show opening different data in ENVI, saving images and which data we can use in ENVI for image processing. Till then, stay safe and happy, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you again.